A Gift Idea Website Guide. Chapter 1. Gift Website Guide. Gift Ideas Info. Buy flowers. Buy jewelry. Eat out. Buy cards. Buy candy and chocolate. The following companies sell home-type decor, novelty, gift-like things. You can either view their catalog online or call their toll-free number if they have one, or email them asking for a paper catalog. Some specialize in one theme, others offer a general spattering of their perception of coolness and beauty. Catalogs.com. Cosmopolitan.com/gift-ideas. GREAT-GIFT-IDEAS-ETC.com. MFTKY.com. My Favorite Things offers furniture, home decor items, and gift baskets. MyFavorithings.com. A few of my favorite things shop in Seaport Village. MyFavoriteThings.org. MyFavoriteThings.tv, store. old-jewel.com/myfavoritethings. ShopMFT.com, shop my favorite things, Tallahassee, Florida 32312. Gift websites 101windchimes.com. 10thweddiganiversarYgift.info. 123greetings.com. gv etc.heydeantime.com. Send a picture of your lover, this guy does a permanent etch-a-sketch picture of it. 1800flowers.com. shindigz.com. karmaloop.com. abesmarket.com. pajamagram.com. thecandylandstore.com. groovycandies.com. candlelightmessages.com/sensual-gift.html. romanticgifts.com. 1800gifts.com. 3jcenterprises.bigstep.com. 800dedicate.com. 800 dedicate, they send a special song and message. armandstrunks.net. bestglobalgifts.com. bluechopsticks.com. boxed-gifts.com. biosphere.com. care4college.com, buy care packages for students. carepackages.com. celebration-gifts.com. certificateswap.com, trade gift cards. chopshopstore.com. clayprints.co.uk/adults.htm, make a person as a statue in clay. coffeemugsworld.com. delastreets.com, fresh Hawaiian flowers and other gift ideas. departmentofgoods.com. bagsandbowsonline.com. pajamagram.com. distinctivistres.com. did-it.com. deluxe.com. richard-chocolate.com. winecountrygiftbaskets.com. stagshop.com, bachelor party gifts. easymakegifts.com. ehow.com, cheap gifts for women. etse.com, specializes in items that are vintage and handmade. findgift.com. forchristmas.com. fredflair.com. ftd.com. funromanticgifts.com. gainsborogiftware.com. giftcds.com, unique wedding favors, CD wedding favors. sandysts.com, Sandy's TS, unique handcrafted t-shirts. giftcreationstation.com. giftfreebies.com. giftpoodle.com. gifts.cartoonstalk.com. gifts.com. gifts.personalcreations.com. blooms.co.uk, florist offering complete delivery service, listing floral and other gifts. giftsforyounow.com. gifts.redenvelope.com. gifttree.com. grandinroad.com. great-gift-ideas-etc.com. greavesjams.com. gtflowers.com, inkazagifts.com, inspirationalgiftplace.com, inspirationzoneart.com, iowagifts.com, mrsstrong.com, mydearvalentine.com, nationalparkgifts.com, nordstrom.com, ornamentz.com, photofiddle.com, create prints from your film or digital pictures, pier1.com, potterybarn.com, regiftingtips.com, save-on-crafts.com, sendsocial.com, send gifts anonymously to anybody, shopdreamy.com, shopinprivate.com, sirrobin.com, ssweb.net/directory, sussmanart.com, sculpture portraits, bronze, plaster, clay sculpture from your photo to masterpiece, swapagift.com, trade gift cards, teleflora.com, love bouquet with red roses, teleflora.com/flower_giftguide.asp, thegift.com, touchofclasscatalog.com, treasure-book.com, photo books, wireacake.com, worldlink-gifts.com, worldtribeimports.com, yourgiftpro.com, gift websites 2, 80spurple.com, 911gifts.com, quick gifts, accessoriesfromfrance.com, act33.com, activitygifts.com, addedtouch.com, adorniz.com, advenlo-animal-lovers.com, gifts, agreatgift.com, handpaintdornaments.homestead.com, desjarnetdesigns.com, 4giftgiving.com, 4to40.com, alberine.com, 800-843-9078, americanbridal.com, americangirl.com, americangreetings.com, anthropology.com, antiqueclocks.com, appointments.com, arenaeditions.com, armatali.com, giftware, aerogiftshop.com, artisangifts.com, artleather.com, photo albums, binders, ashford.com, awarmmemory.com, personalized photos, backpackingdeals.com, basilstreet.com, beautyjungle.com, bedbathandbeyond.com, bensilver.com, 800-849-0973, bestgiftshopper.com, bevscountrycottage.com, bigstar.com, bigstep.com, blueveil.com, bn.com, boii.com, 800-261-7662, Bazaar of India, bombayco.com, borders.com, boxstart.com, bravogifts.com, brightanbold.com, brightgifts.com, bristolgift.net, british-stuff.com, brookstone.com, buletinsilla.com, needlecraft kits, bunstads.com, butturble.com, bynature.com, 888-938-8811, cafepress.com, cafepress.com/thingsscottish, calibex.com/gifts, calixankarala.com, 888-882-2599, candlelightmessages.com, cartoonartgallery.com, cardvelocity.com, 866-451 card, keratanstickpress.com, caswellmassey.com, catclaws.com, 800-783-0977, catmandrew.com, 800-349 meow, centricrp.com, christmasgifts.org, chroniclebooks.com, cobweb-corner.com, coldwater-creek.com, 800-262-0040, collegiatecare.anthill.com, colorfulimages.com, comfortkits.com, concordlitho.com, cookinstyle.com, coolgadgetgifts.com, coolgift.com, coolgifts.us, cornishoasis.com, country-mouse.com, countryvillagebothel.com, cpackages.com, craftcuts.com, crafts-gifts.com, cybershop.com, demeries.com, department56.com, gift websites 3, designityourselfgiftbaskets.com, dgreetings.com/gift-ideas, djsgiftshop.com, dogdo.com, negative gift to your enemies, doiralyha vito worktoday.co.uk, dreampapers.com, ebay.com, edgeco.com, 800-732-9976, ediblearrangements.com, fruit baskets, egift-choices.com, elvis-presley.com, 800-238-2000, english-chanel.com, engravedgiftcreations.com, engravery.com, etoeast.com, etse.com, evesaddiction.com, excite.gifts.com, faithmountain.com, 800-822-7238, fenstge.com, fantasygifts.com, faoschwartz.com, fashionplanet.com, felissimo.com, 800-565-6785, fijis.com, finalcut.com, fingerhut.com, 800-233-3588, firelight.com, firststreetonline.com/uniquegiftideas, flaxart.com, 800-547-7778, flowounce.com, flowerslove.com, franceluxe.com, freedalaw.com, freegiftworld.com, fridgedoor.com, magnetic things for fridges, fromtheendsofttheearth.com, Fairtrade gift shop and home decor, Dallas, Texas, frontgate.com, 800-626-6488, ftd.com, flowers, fun4birthdays.com/gifts, fundy.net/fpweb/index-2.htm, ships in a bottle, furniture.com, garden.com, gardengategifts.com, garnethill.com, giftalchemy.com, gift-basket-superstore.com, gifteasygift.com, giftex.com, giftexperienceboutique.com, gift-heaven.com, gifthub.org, giftideas2000.com, gifteriz.com, giftpacks.com, gifts.barnesandnoble.com, gifts.shopmix.co.uk, gifts24.com, gifts-and-gift-ideas.com, giftsflorist2000.com, giftsин24.com, giftsontheweb.com, giftworld.com, giftybox.com, gingergifts.com, glassparadise.com, genomicadage.com, 800-992-2202, goldentemple.com, goodfortunes.com, Chinese fortune cookie. gourmetgiftbaskets.com, gao'stea.com, grandconnect.com, granddrivertoys.com, greatbirthdaygiftideas.com, greatgiftidea.com, greatideasco.com, greatplainsgifts.com, gumpsbymail.com, guntergifts.com, gui-buy.com, gxonlinestore.org, hallmark.com, hambleysereneprints.com, hamiltonbeach.com, hamiltonstorres.com, stores in Yellowstone National Park, hammockerchlemmer.com, hammocksanhit.com, harney.com, teas, harrietcarter.com, 800-377-7878, harryandavid.com, 877-322-1200, heifer.org. Gift websites for hillarysgifts.com, gift baskets, homeandofficebargains.com, homelandcollections.com, home-n-gifts.com, horshow.com, 877-944-9888, horser-gift-ideas-central.com, ijustgittohavithat.com, illuminations.com, impactphotographics.com, independentcan.com, decorative metal tins, indianggiftsportal.com, inetba.com/villageclassics, iplayproductions.com, stoneware, italianmade.com, itsthethought.com, iwantanyoofthose.com, jafgifts.com, jakeslakeplace.com, jasontillergallery.com, jbgoods.com, jewelswarehouse.com, jrene.com, jtv.com, kaccents.com, lillianvernon.com, kyledesigns.com, leesurliving.com, 800-441-7789, leninimports.com.